Daryl, don't film it all, son.
But I have to.
You don't have to. You're alright. Wow, trendy. What one's that, Dad? There we go. Ah, it's the new Roman candle one.
You really did for the kids, for yourself. You really.
Vodka, what else do you drink?
Oh, like these ones.
That's new glasses in that. About to load in, half the fuse may laugh.
Whoa, my God. Whoa, I like that.
Here goes.
Oh my God, how is that? I'll see her. She's like that. She's fire instant. Oh, she's in more damage.
She's bang bang. Oh, the wee one is always getting up over a green flare. Right, the green. Green goblin.
No, I didn't even see it was there. I went, oh, there's a big one. Very good shit.
I used to be there with the cheerleading. What's there? That's about you.
Oh,
Right to that.
Are we about to get in? I didn't see it on the other side. Thanks for clicking 5 minute talks.
Hurry up, John, hurry up!
I'm gonna go!
Thank you. Try to make me run your floor.
I was on the way. Woo!
Let's go in the wrong way.
Right the other way.
Pretty much. There's the deal. He's only
Actually gonna die.
Aye.
Oh, that's really. So what that was
I'm sure it still has it.
Let it time.
Angle away.
It's totally going.
Let me do this.
You want to give me that other stick?
She can't hear everybody in my son.
That one, like, and pulse it off the wall, like, so about to put it like this, and yeah.
Hello.
Very.
That's a good.
That's a normal collection. And I said, it's the big box, give me a big box, and I would never go and buy just that.
No, mostly they go out, that's a fire. You see that's a discrimination.
We went in the Aslan, had a look at
Came out and followed.
I